Assalamu alaikum. I'll half cup. 01 TSP. Potato 400 gram. Subscribe my channel. Green peas 400 gram. Carrot 500 gram. Radish pods 250 gram. Fenugreek 250 gram. All 1 cup. Ginger and garlic to TSP. Two onion medium size. Tomato 1 cup. Like, share, and comment. Green chili to TSP. Mix for 3-4 minutes. Red chili to TSP. Turmeric 1 TSP. Salt 1 TSP. Garam masala 1 TSP. Chaat masala half TSP. Mix for 3 minutes. Add water. Yogurt for TSP. Mix for 3 minutes. Add vegetables. Mix for 5 minutes. One glass water. Cook over a low heat for 10 minutes. Subscribe my channel. Ready for dish out. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.